everyone, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are you all doing today? For my returning subscribers, thank you for joining us. If you are new here, my name is Miss Benin in America. So if you are still here, you have not subscribed to my channel, click that red button that says subscribe, and then you click the notification bell. So anytime I upload nice videos like this, you will be the first to get it. So in today's video, I'll be showing you guys how I make my squash. Oh God, I like it, and everybody in this household will love it. And I want to share with you how I make it. It's very easy and healthy. So guys, let's get right into it. So today I will be using squash. This is squash, and then we have onion, red onion. I don't have yellow onion. If you have, you can use that one, but I normally use yellow onion, but I don't have it right now. So I have 2 apple, I have squash bonnet pepper, and then I have crab supreme. It's frozen, but I will defroze it later. I just like to add, you know, something to it to make that sweetness come out. So I'm going to be using heavy cream, black pepper, non-margarine, and we'll be using oil, vegetable oil, and then salt. So let's get right into it, like I said. So firstly, we're gonna cut the squash. It's kind of cold because it was in the fridge. So then I don't want to do it like that, I'm so scared, but okay, let's try it. Okay, I'm just gonna cut it gentle. I don't want to cut my hand. So after cutting it like this, the next is to scoop out the seed. So I'm not going to throw the seed away. I'm going to put it here because I'm still going to use it. All right. So I already scooped it. The next one is to add oil. Don't mind my pan. This pan has done a lot for me. So I'm just gonna rub it through. Then the next, I'm gonna add salt. And then I'm going to add black pepper, so the next I'm going to put it in the oven. The oven is on already, it's ready to go. So before I take it to oven, this is the seed. I washed it, and then I want it to dry. I put it inside my paper towel, and now I'm gonna put it here. So I'll roast it. So now I want to add salt, pepper, and a little salt to it. Just rub it. I have little oil in my hand. So now I want to put it inside the oven. So it's inside the oven now. I'm gonna leave it for about 30 to 1 hour so that it will roast. I just want it like that because this give it a very good smell, and I like it when I roast it in the oven. So I will show you how it turns out later. So the next, I'm going to slice the onion and the pepper and the apple together. I'm not gonna slice all because this pepper is very hot. So it's easy for me like this. Just gonna peel the skin. All of them. So guys, I end up slicing just one apple. I don't want it to be too much, so alright guys, time to take it out. It smells good. So now I'm gonna scoop it out. Oh my god guys, it smells so good. Look at this.
Oh, but look at all this stuff. Whoa, you're gonna make a masterpiece. All right, I'll let you. That's the one thing about Miss Benin In America. Whenever she comes up with a recipe, if you're here, you're in for a treat. Except for the tripe thing.
So guys, the next we're gonna be adding little olive oil. Excuse me. And then next, I'll be adding garlic. Just little. Then use my, I'm gonna stir it. So next thing, I'm going to be adding onion, pepper, and apple. Just leave it for a little bit to steam. So now I want to add water to it. I don't have vegetable squash or chicken squash. I say squash. So now I want to add water to it. I don't have vegetable stock or chicken stock. So if you have, you can add that to it. But I'm just going to be using water. So I will add. That's what I don't like. So I'll add a little bit of chicken naan. And then I add salt. I add black pepper to it, just a little bit. And then I will stir it. Yeah. And then the next, I'm going to be adding my squash to it. And then I will add my crabs. And now I'm going to stir it. That's looking good, guys. So I'll stir it for a bit, then let it boil for about maybe 5 to 10 minutes. Then we are ready to go. Okay guys, I let it cool for like maybe 5 minutes. So the next, I'm going to be adding heavy milk. I'm sorry guys, I didn't show you guys when I add carrots to it. So I'm just going to add this before I puree my squash. Ooh, this look good, guys. Oh my lord. So now it's time to puree it. So now I want to blend it, guys. This is the last process. And to show you the finish of this amazing squash. Here is my soup. Check it out. So I just finished it, and let me show you guys. See, I like it thick. Oh my god, this is amazing. I like it too much. It's really tasty. That's the reason why I add that crabs to it, so that it will give it another different taste. And sorry guys, you know I just put something in my mouth. And the apple give it a very nice taste. The apple give it a nice taste, guys. It's amazing, and I would definitely recommend this. You cannot buy this even in a restaurant because it's not gonna be this rich. Alright guys, thank you for watching. Bye-bye.